Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Life of Pain. A while back I had put together a DIY splatter guard, and a few people have asked me to put it on Pinterest or to make a video about it. So today we're going to do a video about it. Living out here in Asia, in my Thailand kitchen, all I have is this counter space that you see in front of me. I have no oven, no stove top. So to cook, I have to pull out my one burner and put it on the countertop and cook all kinds of food. There's no ventilation or no splatter guard anywhere to prevent the food from splattering onto my floor, my counter, my wall, my window. So in looking for a splatter guard, I saw some online, but in looking at the review, most said that it was not worth the money, that it was really cheaply made. So I decided that, hey, why don't I just make some myself? I went to the store and kind of try and get an idea what I want to do, and I thought of these grilling grates. So I decided to buy 3 of these, and let me just show you the size, what size I have here. Let's do a measurement. So these are 16 inches in height. Well, depends on what you call it, but let's see, a little bit like 11.5 inches in width. And the way that I use it, I'm going to do the long end as height. As you notice, there's these little legs that are sticking out, and that's kind of good because this will help me kind of tie them together and still have them be able to move around. My husband had purchased a whole bunch of these cable ties for another project, and so I thought I'd use this. So if you take a look, I have my first set of grills laying flat. The middle set of grill, I have it where the leg is standing down. And then the last set of grill plates here, again, the legs are standing up. And let me just zoom you in. So using these cable ties, I'm just going to tie the ends together. And you can use cable ties if you have them. If you don't, then you can also use twist ties, you know, the kind that comes with your garbage bags in the US. There's usually a twist tie that comes in there. And you don't want it too tight. You do want to leave it a little bit of space. So if you look at it, I don't know, maybe an inch or so opening. And you can tighten that too once you get everything up. So don't cut your twist tie. So here's a twist tie, and in the US, usually your garbage bags, if you buy a big box of garbage bags, these comes with it. So you can use these too, and this will work perfectly too because they're so easy to bend. For example, with this one, if I just bring these 2 up and get them together, and then just twist it up. Again, leaving just some space for flexibility of being able to fold this and put it together. So if you take a look, I only have 2 sheets on, but with the space that I left, I can fold them together. Look at that. And then you can store it. So let's go ahead and finish off the rest. I am going to use the cable tie on them, so let me get that done. And go ahead and just kind of guesstimate on how much space you want for each loop here before I cut it off. And again, fold, fold. Look at that, flat storage. Let's cut these extra length off my twist tie. And then what I do is I just use aluminum foil to go ahead and prevent the splatters. I don't really do a measurement of any sort. It's just kind of eyeball. You do want a good amount on the top and the bottom so that they'll stay. So let me see, I think I'll do this. And do the middle one so that you kind of have an idea. So good amount of aluminum on the top and the bottom, fold it over. So after putting the foil on, as you can see, if I roll it over, fold it over, the side is loose, so that's why you need some extra foil to just keep this on. And if you want to, obviously you can put tape on to keep them there better, but I don't. And then for usage, you just open it up, and being it's 3-panel, it pretty much stands on its own, as you can see. And splatter will go here. You can wipe it down after you're done, or just completely get rid of your aluminum foil. And this is how I made my DIY splatter guard. It's pretty simple. My stove is usually put away. It's a 1 top burner. So what do you think? I hope this helped you to create your own splatter guard. I really appreciate you stopping by. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, okay? And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I upload new videos, go ahead and hit that bell icon. And until next time, I will see you later.